guys, welcome to Rafael Math Room. Today I'll solve this exponential equation b square minus 1 equal 1 minus b. Then what is the value of b? We get minus 1 plus b equal 0. And then we can b square minus 1 plus b minus 1 equal 0. Then we can write b square minus 1 bracket plus bracket b minus 1 equal 0. Then we can write b square minus 1 to the power e square whole bracket plus b bracket b minus 1 equal 0. Then here we have get an exponential equation which is like b plus 1 into b minus 1. You know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This equation is here plus bracket b minus 1 equal 0. Now here we can take common b minus 1 from this equation. Then we can get b minus 1 second bracket b plus 1 plus 1 second bracket equal 0. After that equation we can get b minus 1 whole bracket into b plus 1 plus 1, right? Yeah. So what can I do next is like b minus 1 whole bracket b plus 2 equal 0. Do like either b minus 1 equal 0, and then we can get b 1 equal 1. So the value of b1 is equal 1, or b plus 2 equal 0. Then we can get b equal minus 2. So this b2 will be minus 2. So we get two equation. So and now we have to check check the equation b square minus 1 equal to 1 minus b. So at first we input this b1 equal 1 value in here, then we can get 1 whole square minus 1 equal 1 minus 1, then it will be like 0 is equal 0, right? So we can say we can say left hand side equal right hand side. So this value b1 is correct. After that we can check 2, like b square minus 1 equal 1 minus b. So we have to input this b2 equal minus 2 value in here, then we can get minus 2 whole square minus 1 equal 1 minus minus 2, then is equal 4 minus 1 equal 1 plus 2, then is equal 3 equal 3. So we can say left hand side equal right hand side. So this b2 equal minus 2 is correct. So hopefully guys you are enjoying this solve technique. Please subscribe my channel. Hopefully you love it.